when you participate in research, you get to take the concepts that you learn in class and you get to apply them to real world problems, which really helps you solidify the things you're doing throughout your coursework. And it just helps you understand things much better and in a much more real world scope. There isn't a single skill that I wouldn't say that I've learned through research that isn't somehow transferable to a future career or something. I think, it really just depends the path you take, what skills are going to be useful where. But I mean, everything that I've learned through my research is somehow a transferable skill into the real world or a career.
I believe this is an opportunity to showcase my research. It is also an opportunity to get the feedback of my research, a constructive feedback, so I can know the areas of improvement. And also it helps in building my CV because it shows my commitment towards development of professionalism. And it's a great opportunity of networking.